Petrom is a worldwide conglomerate operating in the energy sector that handles the full life cycle of petroleum-based products, from extraction to commercialization. abac has worked with a subsidiary of Petrom in order to envision an intuitive solution for managing of industrial drilling projects. From a conceptual standpoint, the goal was to manufacture a tool management solution that would keep track of each industrial tool and its maintenance schedule. The solution would be used by engineers at the drilling sites in order to plan specific drilling projects and to request tools for the drilling operation based on the specific needs of each project. Technically speaking, the challenge was to collaborate in providing custom software development services for developing a multi-actor software system composed of a web-first SPA that would consume a mix of REST and Websocket APIs hosted on an on-premise infrastructure. As a result, the project has passed the prototyping and architecture phase and is currently awaiting a window of opportunity for its construction.